So, Ultrahuman sent me this thing. It is a smart health ring health tracker thingy. I said health twice there. So a few weeks ago, Ultrahuman reached out and they were like, yo, do you want to try out this smart health ring we're making, the Ultrahuman Ring Air? And I was like, okay, sure. So they sent over a sizing kit and it had a bunch of different rings, and I used that to determine what size of ring that suited me best. But yeah, this is the sizing kit ring, and a few days ago, this came in the mail, the actual ring. So we're gonna unbox it and film my first impressions on camera, and you'll get to see what's in the box and like just some of the features. I'm pretty much going into this blind, so it'll be interesting to like sort of explore all the different features. I do want to make a proper long-term review and get a chance to explore everything that this product has to offer. I was told that there is like a 14-day grace period for the ring to sort of like adjust to your habits and stuff. So if the ring does start tweaking out in the first 2 weeks, then I know why. I guess it's just getting adjusted to my habits and stuff, even though it might be a bit hard to get adjusted to my roller coaster sleep schedule. But yeah, enough yapping, time to unbox this thing. I'm gonna move this to standing height so it's more comfortable. Ooh, I should move the microphone here. Okay, so it does all that. Interesting. Sleep, recovery, movement, to provide actionable health insights daily. Oh, the microphone's blocking. There we go. I don't want to play with you anymore. So I got this bad boy in raw titanium, and boy is it gorgeous. Look at that. I have heard that the coating is a bit easy to like chip and scratch and stuff. I got the raw titanium to like kind of mitigate that because there were some other shinier finishes and I was worried that that was going to scratch up easier. Hopefully this is going to scratch up less easy because it's, well, a more matte kind of style to it. But yeah, that is really cool how you can see like all the sensors and stuff. It's impressive how they pack all of these features into this tiny little thing. Oh wow, and it's like the exact same size as the dummy ring. Wow, I like the look of that. I like the look of that a lot. It smells nice. That's so weird. It like it smells like they sprayed perfume or something on it. That is unexpected. Hello, Cyborg. Oh, they give you stickers. Cool, 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 cool. I'm always a fan of stickers, even though I never actually use them. Ultrahuman stickers. Look, I'm gonna become an Ultrahuman. I'm gonna become Ultraman. 1A! 1A! Okay, this is the charging block. It looks a bit goofy. It's like so square. Get wired. Oh, they don't give you a power brick. Okay, wait, let me see the cable that they give you. Oh, this is a nice cable. It's braided. Just pops right on there. How does all of this even like work? That is so cool. All right, let's see if it works. How do you turn it on? I just realized there's not really an on button with this. Oh, I should probably look at the information packet actually. I guess I'll start with the getting started page. All right, I'm actually gonna stop the unboxing video so I can use my phone to connect my ring thing. How to charge your Ultrahuman Ring Air. Oh, perfect, it works. Purple LED. Okay, we're gonna download the app. Okay, downloaded the app. Let's open it up. Pair. Okay, so it pairs with Bluetooth. How tall am I? I am 5'10", I'm pretty sure. Or not 8'4". Holy crap, not 2'4" either. Wait, no, how do I change the... Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna change my height. I guess I'll put it in centimeters. I kind of wish they made it so you could just type it in. I don't know why they did this scroll wheel, but it's kind of cool, I guess. Alexa, what is 5'10" in centimeters? 177.8. We'll round that up to 178. Guys, I'm basically 6 foot. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Continue. Okay, no, that makes sense because I'm assuming I wear it when I like wash my hands and stuff. Requires a calibration period of up to 15 days to accurately learn your unique body patterns. During this time, it analyzes your personal biomarkers. Now, how do I check my battery life? Oh, right here. Turbo mode active. I don't know what that means. Background sync. Find my ring. Oh, wait! Wait, that's so cool. Wait, let me test this out. I'm gonna put this here. That is really cool. Okay, because I was always a bit worried about losing my ring, but I guess not. All right, I guess I'm done with the setup. I guess I just, oh, chill mode. What is that? Extends battery life by up to 35%. I'm curious how long the battery lasts because right now it's at 100%, so I guess I'll just do a battery drain test, see how long it lasts. Probably put that in the full review. Jeremy here, Tuesday, September 9th at 7:47 p.m. The ring was at 8%. It was last charged to 100% when I was filming this video, so September 4th noonish. So a little over 5 days of use. But yeah, I guess this is all they want from me at the moment. I'm just gonna use the ring for a bit and then I'll make a full-on review at some point. And I'll probably compare it to my Apple Watch as well, like I mentioned before. But yeah, thank you guys for checking this video out and checking out this first unboxing of the Ultrahuman Ring Air. It's a really cool looking ring. And again, like the box smells really nice. Like, not like a tech box nice. It's just like, it's like a deodorant kind of smell almost. Anyways, what was I talking about? Oh yeah, thank you guys for watching this first unboxing for the Ultrahuman Ring Air. I look forward to trying this out, seeing if it's any good. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Be awesome and stay techie. Bye. Oh. I don't want to play with you anymore. I don't want to play with you anymore. I don't want to play with you anymore. Be awesome and stay techie. Be awesome and stay techie. Bye.